we start with the sketch reading. Now here you can see the direct arrow direction is given, the view direction. So first of all we start from this direction. Here you can see this one is a simple rectangle, and now extrude up to 60 mm. At the two edge of the rectangle is given the radius 30 mm. Now then after make this slot, and after this features is added. So first of all start from make this rectangle L shape. So dimension of this is given is 75 plus this radius is, so total is 105, and this height is 65 from this edge after the 50 mm. So open the Creo. Now select this sketch, select this right plane, draw the rectangle, select this. Now give the dimension. This one is a 105 mm, and this one is a thickness 50 mm. Now make this another rectangle. Give this dimension 65 mm and thickness is 50 mm, same as first rectangle. Coincide with this one. This one is a 50, this one is a 50. Now select the trim, cut this line and merge this both rectangle. Finish this one, select extrude, select the center plane, extrude up to 60 mm, enter the 60, ok, views, now make the both and 30 mm radius, select round, enter here 30 mm, ok. Now make here this half cylindrical circle. The radius is not given, but the inner half radius is 30 mm, so inner radius is 15 mm and plus this 50 mm, so inner half circle radius is 50 mm and outer is 30 mm. Touch with this corner, select sketch, select this one, ok, select line, select the arc, center point, coincide this edge, ok. Now extrude this one, total 50 mm, so minus this 15 mm, select extrude 15 minus 50 mm, ok. Now select this sketch, select this one, select line, Its diameter is 30 mm. Coincide with this edge and also this center line. Finish. Now select the extrude opposite direction through all. Remove the material. Okay. Now make this slot. Select sketch. Select this face. This slot straight dimension is up to this radius plus 10 mm radius, so 30 plus 10 mm 40 mm. Draw the rectangle. This one is 20 mm and from the center line mm. This one is a 40 mm. Thirty plus half of this 20 radius. Diameter is 20 mm, so half radius is 10 mm. 10 plus 30 40 mm. Select this point, tangent this one. Finish. Select extrude opposite direction through all. Now make this radius 10 mm. Select round. Okay. Now make this rib here. Rib is given at center 10 mm rib dimension. Select the plane. Select this coincide point. Coincide with this edge. Select line. Finish this one. Select the profile rib. Enter here 10 mm. Okay. Now our exercise is done. Thanks for watching these videos.